What? Hey, stand up again. You standing up on your chair? That seems really unsafe. Oh yeah? What you doing?
E.
E?
Ooh.
Ooh.
E.
E. N. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you smile? Cheese. There you go. Where's your nose? Oops. Where's your nose? Where's your eyes? Where's your belly button? I want to see it. Where is it? There it is. Where's your piggies? Show me your piggies. Oh, where's the pig? There they are. There's some piggies. Is that a penny on the floor? It's a quarter. Nice. Where's your elbow? Very good. Where's your finger? Yes. Where's your ears? Ears, ears, ears. There you go. Where's your teeth? Teeth. Where's your tongue? Where's your hair? Where's your poop? Where's your poop? Yeah. Where's your boogers? Oh yeah, right in the nose. Where's your cheeks? Where's your knee? Very good. Alright, bye-bye.